everyone. We're gonna be showing testing. This is a neck massager, and this is really cool. Let's take a look to this one. So here is the removable this cloth or something, so you can wash it. And so first remove this one. You can put it back very easy, just like that. Okay, just like that. So yeah, it's very easy to remove, very easy to install. Okay, and this one you can even put it, but I want to remove this so I can show you how this one works. I think this one is called Snailax or something. I'll put link description where you can buy. There are so many models, different design and so on. This one I tried it, I found it really cool. So this one has a heat and massager in the same time. The thing is about this, as you can see here, they are 1, 2, 3 balls. Here are 3 and here are 3. They spins, they move this way and this way, and so let's turn it on. Here is the control thing, and this one works on DC power. This is the adapter, the power supply for this one, and here's the you can remove it and put it back again like that. So all those are made of heavy duty, and it's not like a nice good material, not cheap material. And so let's try this, see how it works. This bottom on and off. Now you can see this is when you press this one. Let's see what happened. So it spins the other way. See, when I press this, it goes the opposite of clockwise. Press one more time, it spins this way slowly, the clockwise turn. This is, let's see this, press once, slow, press again, fast. Had 2 speed only. This is the heat. So press once, the red lights turn on and no heat. Press once, you can see the light. The red light means there is a heat. It is very, very quiet. It has no noise, and it's not heavy though. And let's see how this one works. You can see this is the 2 where you can put your legs, like your hands, like that, both of them. Okay, so yeah, let's see how this one works. Simply put it this way, and then here you can put your hands like that, you see. And so you can, when you pull, it gives you more kind of, when you release, you know. So yeah, that's how it works. Here's the control button. So press, see, so basically what it does, here you can see the shoulder. So this is the area where the massage will do the job, neck and the shoulder. Very comfortable. So you can see it's so comfortable actually. can change the setting for the heat, fast or slow, fast, opposite rotation, rotate in the opposites, left to right or right to left. Okay, so and this one also, it can be used for the back also, like this. See? But it's made for shoulder, neck and shoulder specifically. So that's how this thing work. I'll put link description, more details about this massager. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to support our channel, like, subscribe, share this video, check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly. You may like a video, so consider subscribe, like and share. All the best, and hope to see you next video.